Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be unboxing this Motorola phone. This is the Edge 2024. I recently bought it maybe a couple of days ago for about $90. And this is through Total Wireless, I believe. And so apparently to get the deal, you got to be a new customers and you got to pick one of the $65 plan. And then after 60 days, it's supposed to be unlocked by itself. So to me, I think $90, it's a pretty good phone, you know, for the kids to, or even a backup phone, you know. So for myself, so we're gonna unbox it and then we're gonna try to activate it and see how everything works out. So it does come in a box and it also comes with this activation instructions. And inside it probably has SIM card and stuff, but let's take out the phone. So this is the phone. Hello, Moto. That's the back. The camera is pretty huge. If you can see it, it says 50 megapixel. 50 megapixel. Pretty nice. We're gonna probably test that out too. And this is the screen. Let's see. Is it compared to my iPhone? To my iPhone 13. iPhone 13. It's bigger. It's longer. Right? And let's see what's inside the box. So pretty much it has the USB Type-C charging cable, and then it has the Meet Your Motorola Edge, and that'll tell you the speakers, the microphone, the proximity sensor, quick buttons, volume up and down, fingerprint sensor, microphone on the bottom, and also the SIM trays on the bottom, right? And then the camera on the back, the main camera, ultra wide macro camera, the flash, the NFC touch point, wireless charging, speakers, then shows you how to put in the SIM card. Right, pretty basic, pretty simple. And what else inside? You got the ejector SIM ejector, and basically what is a warranty something. Yeah, legal information, other stuff. So that's pretty much it. So put that away and see what has come within this from Total Wireless. It has It does come with a SIM card as expected. And then it has the terms and the conditions and the agreement. And then it has the instructions on how to activate the phone number. So after I powered up the phone, and then put in the Wi-Fi password, connect to my Wi-Fi system, and this is what it shows. This part, it says connect to mobile network, and then so I'm gonna insert the SIM provided and see what happens. Okay, so I finally got the phone activated. So what I did was I tried to use the information to the phone, like that they provided you, and then it didn't work. So I went into chat, and I chat with this gentleman. I forgot his name, but for about a good 20 minutes. And he said he couldn't get the phone to activate it as well too. There's something wrong in his system. So I just Google like track phone number, customer service real quick, and I dial that number. If anything, I'll list it in the description for you guys to do. And I thought I would talk to a live person, but I didn't. It's like a voice activated or like a system generator or something, and it tells me enter the EIN number, enter the all the information, and then it asks me to turn off the phone and turn it back on, and boom, it's working. Uh, and then once it did that, I go back into my account and I change my account, but everything looks good. I can call out. It has internet. The only thing it shows that on the SIM card itself, because I get the plan that I have, it's unlimited 5G data, but this one it shows that it's only 2 gig. So I might have to chat again and find out to verify. But on the account on the web, it says I'm on a $65 plan. So it's a little bit of conflicting information that I get on the phone and on the website. But to clarify, I'll probably have to chat with them or call them again. But other than that, the phone looks nice. On the back, it's like kind of like a little bit sticky, rubbery. It's not like smooth, which is good because you don't want, because the front of the screen is kind of like curvy and it's really easy to slip out. But for $90, and so I'm only paying for the $65, just basically just for the 1 month service, and then I'm probably gonna wait until another 30 days for 60 days, and then it supposedly it will unlock itself, right? And then you can use it with any service you like. So a little bit about this phone. So this phone, it's I guess Motorola team up with Total Wireless, but this phone has really good specs. As far as I know, it's 5G 6.6 POLED endless edge display and 50 megapixel quad camera, and it has a 16-watt wireless charging, which is nice. And I think this one comes standard with 256 gigabyte. So not cheap, not 64 or okay, yeah, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up the storage right here, 256. And this one, it doesn't give you the ability to put in the micro SD card. I guess 256 is more than enough, right? Which is nice. Memory there, everything there for the phones. System update about the phone. Here is, I'm going to show you guys about the phone itself. So it's the model number is XT2405B, and it's 256. The RAM is it's 12 gigabyte. It says 8 gigabyte plus 4 RAM boost. I don't know what the RAM boost is. Maybe like what, virtual something. I mean, I don't know. And then the camera, 32 megapixel front, and then 50 megapixel, and then plus 13 megapixel. Display is 2400 by 1080, which is not bad at all for this phone for $90. So I don't know, maybe use it for a while and then just give it to my kids, let them use it while we're out having dinner. That way they don't have to, cry all over every little things. But other than that, I think one of the issues that I had with this phone for activating is because originally I used a text-free number, and I don't know, maybe because when I did it on the web, it asked me for the account number, the PIN number, the release provider, all kind of the information. Text-free number, it doesn't have anything. It just, you know what I mean? So I ended up getting a new number. So if that helps you guys, I think overall it should be okay, easy, right? But for $90, get a Motorola. I think really huge. You can use it as a backup phone as well too. So, and it does have eSIM as well. So a lot of pluses for this phone. It's nice. It's not that heavy, and it's very comfortable to hold. And I haven't tested out the cameras yet, but you know, other than that, $90, you can't go wrong with it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding about activating the phone or how to get the deal, let me know. I'll be more than happy to assist you guys. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.